Now, what we want to do is to add a keyframe. I'm going to turn on my timeline view, and we're going to add because if I press 9 going down, notice that you're not seeing keyframes apply on everything. So we have to add a keyframe going all the way down, so that when we press 9, there's a keyframe for everything going down. Same thing we want to do for the 3/4 front view. We want to add a keyframe right there. We press 9 so that the keyframe goes all the way down. All right. So the next step, let us go over back to our library. So we're going to turn this into a template. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that within your library tab, where you see your stage library, you want to ensure that you have the right to modify for this group. So you're going to notice that there's a padlock right there. So simply right click on it and click right to modify. So if you're adding anything, or if you want to edit any of these templates, you have to ensure that right to modify is there, or else you won't be able to make any changes. Now, what we're going to do, you see the keyframe that I created here for the front view. You click it and drag it over into the library here. And notice what happens. It pretty much creates a front view right here. So I'm going to name this template. You're going to name it with whatever your character is called. View.tpl and click OK. So our character or view template is right here. I'm going to do the same thing. Drag it over into the library here. Notice that we're seeing the 3/4 template here. I want to rename it view. Oh, I should have named this would be called 3QF. So it's view 3/4 front. The 3Q is a 3QF stands for 3/4 front. So this is the 3/4. I'm going to rename this because I just named it view. So right click, rename. I'm going to call it view front. Because this is the front view. That's what I forgot to do. So we have, within our library, we have the view front and the view 3/4 front.